Hi y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. Today I'm going to bring you guys along with me. We're going to go thrifting. I have to run by Walmart. I'm actually starting like a fun little project for December, just something kind of random. I wanted to create like a little Christmas village all in the built-ins in my living room. I've always wanted to do this, but just never did because I would always forget, and then like Christmas would roll around before you know it, and then it's too late. But yesterday was December 1st, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna dive right into this project randomly. I ran to the thrift store, started looking for like little villages and like little people and things, and I hit the jackpot, you guys. I was so excited. I actually found a gift for my grandma as well. I can't even show you because she watches my channel. Hi, Grandma. But it's like the coolest thing, and I think she's gonna absolutely love it. So, yeah, today we're just gonna kind of like work on the little Christmas village and I don't know, just kind of share with you like a day in the life. Also the lighting, it's a little dark. Sorry about that. I lost my little ring light that I've been using, that I've been loving. I took it with me yesterday to the thrift store and now I can't find it. So from going to Dollar Tree and then back, so thrift store, Dollar Tree, and then back home, somehow it's missing. I'm pretty sure my daughter probably brought it in. She probably put it somewhere and I just can't find it. So I'll find it eventually. But I'm using this. It's a rechargeable light bulb because it's like the only thing, and like the overhead lighting just does not do it. So this is what it's gonna get. It's kind of funny. But it's not about lighting, you know. I feel like sometimes as a content creator, I overthink the lighting and the quality of the video, and like a lot of times you guys just want to see the content. Like it doesn't even matter what the quality looks like as long as it's like good content, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Or do you like a mixture of both? But anyway, my daughter also has a Christmas concert tonight that I'm going to. My husband and my son are not going to make it because he's got jiu-jitsu today. So I just like looked in the mirror and I noticed that like I'm a little puffy right here. I don't know, it just kind of threw me off. But anyway, so we have a little Christmas concert to go to. So she needs like a little outfit to wear, like a little Christmas shirt. So I'm gonna try to find her something fun and festive to wear. So that is the game plan. Kind of just casual. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm not liking that. I really need to get back on my workout routine. I'm gonna start today. Today's the day. I have not been working out. I have been eating like a little pig. But it's been Thanksgiving and the holiday time, and it's fine. You know what I mean? Like the first of the year is right around the corner. We can always start our routines then. But no, I really need to get back in the groove of things because I'm feeling puffy and sluggish. And as a matter of fact, today I went back to sleep. I don't do that. I don't do that ever. But I don't know if it's the mattress that just feels so freaking comfortable. I don't know what it is. I've just been feeling so exhausted. Probably because of crappy eating lately, but I ended up sleeping like a freaking baby. This morning I went back to bed for about an hour and a half, not too long, but it was just enough, and I feel like a lot more like refreshed today. Maybe that's what I needed. Yeah, I don't know what's maybe it's the lighting. Maybe it is. Maybe it's like this lighting looks okay, but when I'm looking in the mirror with this angle of lighting, it's doing something. I need to turn this off. But anyway, I'm going to finish getting ready and then we are going to go thrifting first. I'm going to hit the Lighthouse Ministries because typically they have like little houses and things. And so that's the first order of business. So let me finish this up. Finishing up my makeup. I can't find earrings anywhere. I bought some when we went Black Friday shopping, just like the cheap Walmart ones that I always buy. But I can't find them. They're lost somewhere in the gift bags. So I'm out of luck. But anyway, that's the look. We're going to go. Y'all, look at this. I just found my light. This is my little ring light that I always carry around with me that works really well for like content creation. I was literally about to take the light bulb. Oh my goodness. And I almost forgot my coffee. Oh my gosh. Good thing I found my ring light because I would have forgot about this. So, like I said, we're going to go to Lighthouse Ministries. Look at my jacket I decided to wear. It's my project jacket. Also, this is totally random, but I had like the greatest idea. So y'all know we changed our sliding glass doors. Well, we haven't gotten rid of the actual door yet or the frame. And then I got to thinking, so you know how you can make like greenhouses? I was thinking about making a greenhouse out of the glass doors, like on the side yard. They can't be reused because the seal is broke, but because of all the moisture trapped in the inside, I think it would make a really great greenhouse if like my vision is correct, you know, like build a frame, put the glass door on top, and then put like a potted little garden in there. So it'd be like a little hot box of like plants. I have an idea. It looks good in my head. I don't know if I could actually pull it off, but we'll have to see. But anyway, I'll see you guys at the thrift store. Okay, we have made it. Oh, he's cute. I like him. Wow. Someone must have been collecting salt and pepper shakers. Oh, look at how cool these are. Wow, these are neat. How much are these? $45. It's pretty cool. Oh, jeez. Leave it to me. Earlier I looked and I didn't see any houses, but look. Is that $3 or $300? $25? That can't be right. If there was 4, those are cool. Okay, I ended up getting some really great stuff. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go home, get my little area set up. Oh, you know what? Isn't there a Family Dollar right here? There is. I'm gonna circle around and I'm gonna run into the Dollar General and see if I can find some faux snow. I do not want to have to go to Walmart today. I already found my daughter an outfit at the thrift store to wear tonight for her little concert. She's gonna look so freaking cute. It's like a little Christmas outfit. So I'll just run into this Dollar General really quick and see if they have some faux snow for my little display. I did not find very many like little houses at all. Like the ones that I did find were like a little overpriced and I'm not spending that much. The goal is to keep this like very affordable, obviously, because I don't have a whole lot, so I have to buy a lot. So if it's like more than $10, I'm not buying it. Not gonna do it. I mean, like each individual item. Like I am not about to spend, like there were some villages in there they had for like $20, $10, $15, and some of them were just like really tiny. Oh, and then there was like the lids that used to go on candles that had like little designs on them. There was one of those for $3 just for the lid of the actual candle. Like there was no candle included. I was like, oh, that's a little steep. But it happens. I feel like a lot of prices are going up, and I understand, but at the same time, I'm not buying anything like outrageous, or I don't want to spend an outrageous amount for like thrifted items, you know? So anyway, let's go see what the Dollar General has to offer. Okay, I'm home. I'm gonna show you a haul. I don't know why I'm giggling. I don't know why, but this project makes me so freaking happy to do. It's nothing extravagant by any means. Like people do villages all the time, but I think what it is like a lot of my projects are like woodworking and like big projects, and this is just like something fun. I don't know, maybe that's why, but I got some really good stuff. So first off, I did get this cute little snowman. It was $8.50 and it was 20% off, so great deal on him. I think he's so cute. I also grabbed this snowman. The reason I did this was, first of all, I didn't realize, but the thrift store I was shopping at, you had to spend $10 in order to use your debit card. I had no idea. So I get up there and I only had $5. I got all the little houses that I showed you guys earlier for $5 for all of them. So, because they were on sale too. And she's like, oh, you got to spend $10 to use your card. So I was like, okay, say less. I'm going to go ahead and go grab this snowman that I wanted, but I was just like, I don't really need them. Apparently I did. So I got that guy, this guy. This is going to be for my daughter. She loves little snow globes, and I like this one because it's not glass. It's actually plastic. Perfect, because every single snow globe that we've ever got has shattered at some point. And if you didn't know, whatever's inside of the snow globe is extremely toxic to dogs. Just fair warning. So be careful always with snow globes if you have pets. I also got this little Santa. I don't know if it works. It probably doesn't, but I thought he was so cute going down the chimney. So one of the little cubbies in the built-in is gonna be like the Santa, cubby. He's gonna be delivering gifts. And to go in that little cubby, I ended up picking up this little train set. It's falling apart. It's not in the greatest condition, but they're heavy and they look really pretty. Oh, where's the little piece? It looks like someone bought some of it. But anyway, it's just like a little 3-piece set to kind of just set on the shelf somehow. I'll figure it out. Then, this was the only little village I found at that thrift store. I paid $4 for this. It does light up apparently, and I'm pretty sure that the train that's in the back actually circles around. So we'll try to see if that works. I got some batteries to test everything out. And then I did end up grabbing these Christmas pajamas. So these have the little, is it Snoopy? Why am I having a brain fart? I think it's Snoopy. But anyway, I got these little Christmas pajamas, and then I got a shirt, cute little Christmas shirt for tonight for my daughter to wear, along with some black jeans. And then I got these Christmas pajamas because she gets to wear Christmas pajamas to school one day to sing Christmas carols. So I figured she could pick between these and these, and whatever one she don't wear, I'll wear. So yeah, got that. I also grabbed these little string lights. I really hope these work. These were $2, and then, actually no, these were on sale 50% off, so I got these for $1, and then I got these for $1 as well. No, I didn't. What am I talking about? These were $2.50 because they're $5, 50% off. I really hope they work. I'm sure they will. I mean, I don't think there's not many people that would drop something off at donation, and oh, you know what? There's batteries in it. They do work. I didn't even check it when I was there. I should have checked it, but heck yeah. $2.50 for all these lights. That's a great deal. And it came with batteries. That's a steal. So, ew, it smells weird. You know what? Just for the heck of it, I might as well try these, see if someone left batteries. Someone left batteries in this one too. Cool. Okay, awesome. So I got lights, and I don't even have to use my batteries. But yeah, that's all the stuff I got. Oh, no, it's not. I also got some little icicles. I thought these would be cool to like hang from one of the built-ins as like the frosty theme. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, but we're gonna go ahead and get started on one of the cubbies. I already started on one yesterday, but I didn't plan on filming it as a vlog here. So I'll include the footage. It is like, you know, short form content footage. So please don't mind it, I'm sorry. I was just filming for Instagram. I didn't think this was gonna turn into a whole series, but I love decorating it so much. I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta film this for everything. But I'll show you guys what it looks like. And it lights up. I'll show you guys the lights in a minute. But I think the next cubby, so I wasn't sure if I should just stick to one side and work my way down and around, or if I should kind of jump from side to side. What do we think? Part of me thinks I should do something up here in this corner to kind of balance this out, or like maybe on this one. Yeah, I feel like we'll just stick to one side and work our way up and around. Because a lot of the stuff that I got today is like red theme, and I kind of want to break up the white. So I want to do like all different colors. That's the plan anyway. So I guess we'll just start up here. And then so here's what I'm thinking. This is crazy, but what I kind of want to do is like work on this area with the train, and I have train tracks. So I thought about kind of making the train tracks come down and around and then like up on this, and then to where they make it to the next town. That's like what my idea is, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it happen. We're just gonna try. So I guess we're gonna work on this cubby. So for this one, I think I'm gonna end up using some of these books and just lay them down to use as my height. Like for this one, I used like some old boxes. So I think I'll go like this. And I used the snow that's kind of like the sheet of snow. I think up here I'm going to use tissue paper. I also got some cotton balls. The plan is to shred these apart. I can use that as some snow. Yeah. I'm gonna open this up and see if this works. It looks a little crusty and dusty, but we're gonna try. Okay. It does not work, but that's all right. We're still gonna use it. I think I'm gonna put this at the very top and kind of like lean it downward so you can see the house. So kind of like have it like this. That'll actually be cute. I like it. This one's kind of heavy, so I'm scared to put it up here. Here's my little village so far. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to order some faux snow online though, because the snow I'm trying to use is not, I mean, it looks okay. It's just not like exactly what I had in mind. But look at my little people. I love them. I love the little houses. This is gonna be so freaking cool when it's all done. I really want to do like something with like the back here. So yeah, we'll figure it out. But I think it's gonna be cool to do like each little, like make a little town in each little cubby. So that's the first two that I have so far. A lot of those houses I had from last year, and then like basically all of the houses up top, that little globe. One of the pieces of train are new. All the rest I already had on hand. So a very, very affordable project. It's coming together though.